Hello traders, I want to show you in more details how much money you can invest into the forex market or how much money you can deposit into the forex market. How much money to deposit in forex. The amount of money that you can deposit into the forex market can be affected by your financial situation, the currency pairs that you be trading, and last, the risk that you'll be taking. I believe these are the three most important things that they can affect how much money you can invest or deposit into the forex market. I'm going to make an example of this so that you understand much better. Let's say, for example, you have deposited $100. I'll be using Forex Calculator. You can get this one from the Google Play Store. It's free. I'm on a PIP value site and account currency. I'm going to use USD, and then the currency pair, I'll be using GBP USD. Slot size, I'll be using one standard lot, and then I'll be using 10 pip. So I'm going to explain this for you to understand much better. And remember, when you get the Forex Calculator, you have to set it. So if you are having some problems in there, tell me so that I can assist you. And now, back to, right now I get $100 here. So, actually, what does this mean? This means that your $100 account that you have deposited or invested in the broker, in your broker or the broker that you'll be using, it means that you have purchased 10 pip with a standard lot, which is one slot size. I will repeat if you didn't hear me very well. Your $100 that you have invested or deposited, it means that you have purchased 10 pip with one slot size. If you still don't understand, I'll explain more, and then maybe you'll understand along the way. Let's say for now, for example, I'm going to use 0.01. All right. I get $100. Let's do like this so that you can see we get $100 how. All right, we get $100. So the reason why we get $100 here is the same thing that I was explaining to you, but I want to explain it in more better way for you to understand. Right now, you're going to use 0.01 slot size when you trade. So it means that you have bought, with the $100, you have 1,000 pips with a slot size of 0.01. So in a much simpler way, this simply means that with the $100 account or with the $100 invested, you have a purchase power of 1,000 with a 0.01 slot size. So it means that whenever you put money on your trading, on your broker, or you are depositing money on the broker you are trying to invest, it means that this is the $100 that you wanna invest. It is like a voucher. It is like a voucher. If you understand a term voucher, that's how this thing is. The moment you deposit money, it doesn't go. Money doesn't go to your account. The money goes to your broker's account. The money stays there. What they do, since you've put it $100, they're gonna put the $100 there. They know how much pips you have bought. If you're gonna use 0.01 slot size, and they know your maximum, so they know everything about you because they do the maths. They calculate, they count how much buying power do you have? I believe now you are getting to understand much. All right, since I've explained this, let's move to another example so that I can show you much better. We're going back to our $100 account. All right, since we have our $100 account here, we have our $100 account here. All right now we have $100 account. You want to invest $100 account, or you want to deposit $100 into your account, into your Forex account. I want to show you something so that you understand how much money you will need to put it in the Forex market. All right, we're back here again. Let's say, for example, I'm going to use 0.20 slot size. First, let's find out how much buying power do I have. It means that with my 0.20 slot size on a $100 account, I have a buying power of only 50 pip. Above that, my account is finished. So, right now, let me put it like this. Let's say, for example, you're going to risk 12 pip. Let's say, for example, you're going to risk 12 pip. Let's see how much are you going to lose with 0.20 slot size. You're going to lose 24 USD. So let me put this one in a clear ways for you to understand. Let's use our calculator, and then this one you do have it on your phone, I believe. We're going to use our $100 account. Remember, we're risking only 12 pip. So on 12 pip, we're risking only $24. If we lose the $24, for example, if you lose for $24, you'll be left with $76. You lose the 24 again, you'll be left with 52. You lose the 24 again, you'll be left with 28. You lose the 24 again, you'll be left with 4. And then you can no longer trade 0.20 slot size. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means that you have 4 chances to place trade. I believe you understand this well. Let me put it to you in a simpler way. Let's say 100. Let's do it like this. I don't want you to be confused. I want you to understand much better. Let's say we have 12. We are risking 12 pip. Right side, that side, right? We are risking 12 pip. So it's gonna be 12 pip plus 12 pip plus 12 pip plus 12 pip. So you see, we have 48. You have 48. Now it means that your buying power is going to be finished. It's only left with 2. So you have 4 chances of playing with $100. But then if you lower, then your chances are increasing. If you increase, then your chances, they are going to be low. I believe you understand this one. It's much simpler for you to understand. All right. How can we get this in other way? Okay, we can say 100 divided by 24. You see, we have 4 chances of placing trade. You can get this in many ways, but then you are the one who's supposed to do the math and count so that you know how much buying power you have. Because this thing is like a voucher. Those numbers that you see there, it's just like a voucher. So don't take it as like a money, but take it as a voucher. I believe you understand, and I wish you the best. And since I explained to you in a more simpler way to understand the buying power and how much money at least to invest. You can invest any amount of money. It's up to you to decide that. So since it's almost the end of the year, I want to wish you the best, and I believe for 2021 you'll do great things. Just need to work smart and be yourself. Don't give up just yet. It's not over. You need to work, and then you'll be successful. You will see results sooner. So that's all from me. God bless everybody. Positive Trader signing out.